Hey everyone, Siavash here, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you the new feature that we just added to our chain integration. So this one was another request in regards to intake forms. So what we're doing is we are grabbing all the intake forms that you have in your chain and basically pushing them inside your GHL. And what it does, it actually allows you to send these intake for specifically for the patients that you want to send. So I'm just going to show you in a sec. So first of all, for example, this is a demo account. And as you can see, these are all the intake form availables. So what we've done, we basically push these right into your GHL. So as you can see, the names are coming in here as a custom values. Obviously, I've hidden the values in here. We don't want to show this to everyone to figure out how they can actually get this out. But anyway, so these are coming in here, and the way that is being coded, the value is in a way that you can actually use it like this. So you can easily go to, let me go here, and you can easily go to your, let's say, marketing. Let's say you want to create a trigger link. We can create a trigger link for each one of them so you can actually do the follow-up as well. So let's say this is intake form one. And then what you can do, you can go back in here. You can, let's say you want to use the facial. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go back and let's say intake form facial. And I'm just going to put this in here. And you can now use this trigger link within your email marketing or SMS. This goes very well with the previous feature that I just talked about in another video that shows you if someone actually have filled up any intake form in their account or not, so you can automatically trigger it from here. So this one is going to be rolled out soon, I would say sometimes next week. But for those of you that want access to this, you need to get in touch with me because we need to update. You need to go and update your integration, private integration key. So basically, what you need to do, because now we are asking to get access to your custom values. So all you need to do is you need to go to settings. You need to go to your private integration key. And within here, when you have private integration key, click on this, click on edit, and just click on next. And within this scope, you just want to make sure that you add edit custom values as it's in here and view custom values. And then you just hit update. And when it shows you the key, do not rotate or do not update the key. The key it's going to be the same. So you don't need to update the backend or do anything else. You just need to add those two scopes in here and you're good to go. But anyhow, if you have any problem or question, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.